Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a VAT number in Shopify. Now the first thing I want you to do is just log in to your Shopify dashboard. And then here on the bottom left, you'll see settings and the gear cog, okay? I want you to just click on a settings right there. And from here on the left hand panel, I want you to just go ahead and click on taxes and duties, okay? And then you'll see regional settings, and you'll see more settings if we scroll down. So let's scroll all the way down, and you'll see global settings. All you actually need to do is just toggle this on. Charge VAT on digital goods, toggle this one on, and any applicable goods will be charged VAT at checkout. So don't worry about the digital goods part. They will just charge on the other goods as well. And that is how you add a VAT number in Shopify. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.